Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pip and Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors.
Oh, Budgie is a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Lucy had been given the part of Dick Whittington's cat in the school play. Ben was helping her to rehearse.
Thank you, Your Majesty, for this gift of gold and diamonds.
Why did you choose to be the cat? I prefer to be Dick Whittington.
Well, the cat's a better part. He travels the world and he's rewarded by an emperor. Then he comes home and they make him Lord Mayor of London.
No, they don't. That was Dick Whittington.
Well, the cat deserved it more.
We regret the delays. All departing aircraft should now stand by for takeoff.
Hey, you. Move up.
I can't. And there's no need to push. Who do you think you are?
I'm Jasper Gearjet. Hey, I know you. You're that dopey little helicopter from that dopey little airfield.
Airfield's not dopey, and neither am I.
Oh, yeah? Well, bet you can't answer this one. What's wobbly with a fan on top?
I've no idea.
A jellycopter! A jellycopter! Get it?
Both of you, stop the silly chatter and move. Control to Budgie. You're clear for takeoff.
Thank goodness.
Bye, little helicopter. I'll be seeing you.
Whew, Snowy. I hope I don't have to meet that Jasper too often.
Lionel to Budgie, are you reading me?
Loud and clear, Lionel. I'm halfway home from Wealdon.
Good. Fergus went astray and he's turned up at Oakford Station. Go over there and collect him from the station master.
Went astray? That isn't like Fergus. OK, Lionel, I'm on my way.
It's all your fault, Lucy. Fergus must have heard you talking about Dick Whittington's cat.
Come on, it's a story. Cats don't understand things like that.
He listened to every word. He's smarter than you think.
Hey, Fergus is home. Budgie picked him up at Oakford.
Fergus, you bad cat. I'm so glad you're back. Now listen, Fergus, you're not to run away again. Understand? Oh, I hope he doesn't run off again. Fergus wants to travel just like Dick Whittington's cat.
Yeah, but maybe we can keep track of him, like I saw some guys do with cars on TV.
Gosh, could we?
Yeah, I can make it so wherever he goes, we'll find him.
Lionel to Budgie, we've had an emergency call. Difficult to hear properly, but it sounds serious. A number of flyers are down in the sea, 3 miles north of Black Rock Lighthouse.
Rocketing rotors, Lionel. That does sound serious.
They're afloat, but get there quickly and meet up with Chuck.
I'm on my way, Lionel. Over and out.
This has to be the place. We couldn't both be wrong.
Where are they? Where are the missing flyers? There's only gulls in the water.
Good of you to come, me old jellycopters. But it's okay.
Hey!
The gulls have no problem with flying and swimming. Well, don't you get it? The gulls are the flyers. It's a joke.
Well, I don't think so, Jasper. Come on, Chuck. Let's go before we waste any more time.
Okay, Budgie.
Come on, Fergus, and see what Mike has made for you. Caught him at last, Mike. Now show his nice new collar.
This beeper sends a radio signal, and I pick it up on this radar screen.
Oh, isn't radar what's used to see where planes are?
Yeah, look, that's Fergus.
Doesn't look like Fergus. Where is he now?
He's, going past the canteen. No, he stopped right at the door of the canteen.
I know where he's going. Wait, Mr. Tompkins. You we've got a passenger! It's Fergus. He wants to travel the world like Dick Whittington's cat. Thanks, Mr. Tompkins. Bye.
Harefield, there's a really huge fire right here in Potterton.
Another of your tricks, Mr. Jasper Jet?
No, honestly, help.
We can't ignore it. You'd better go, Chuck. I'll call Budgie. He's over that way already. Lionel to Budgie, Lionel to Budgie.
Budgie to Lionel, I'm approaching Potterton now. Oh, maybe he was telling the truth this time. But where's the fire?
There is a fire, Budgie. They've just reopened the old potteries.
Lionel to Budgie, everything all right there, Budgie?
No, it's not, Lionel. Another false alarm.
I was afraid of that. Got a real emergency, too. Go to Grey Shale Quarry. There's been a landslide.
We're on our way, Lionel.
Hey, I'm really having fun with those Harefield chaps. I think I'll drop in there, liven up the airfield.
So, Master Jasper, you do not, I repeat, not interfere with the emergency services. You may think it's funny, but you wouldn't laugh if you were the one waiting for Budgie to take you to a doctor. And there's another thing. You are going to have Lionel to Budgie, Control says a bad storm's coming your way. Don't try to fly back here. Land and take cover.
I can shelter at the old mine below Bleak Valley.
That's the idea, Budgie. Chuck is waiting at the quarry till the storm passes. Over and out.
No one ever spoke to me like that before. That Lionel really is a grouch.
He's not, Jasper. He's right. It is dangerous to cause confusion by telling lies.
But I didn't tell lies. Not once. No one around here can take a joke. I'm sorry I came here. I'm going back to my friends at Wealden.
Jasper, don't be silly. There's a storm warning.
I don't bother about storms. My radar lets me fly anywhere, anytime.
Oh, Mike. Fergus is gone again. I've looked for him everywhere.
Be cool, Lucy. We switch on the radar and... Sensational! There he is, 8 degrees north, 6 degrees west, at 7,000 feet, travelling at 400 miles an hour.
Mike, Fergus is a cat, not a jet plane.
Oh, right. Yeah. But isn't everything grounded in the storm?
Except I saw that visiting Gearjet take off.
Well, that's it. Fergus is in the jet.
Maybe this wasn't such a good idea either. Mayday! Jasper to Harefield! Radar not working! I'm lost! Position unknown! Mayday! Help! Mayday! Where am I?
Seems Control can track Jasper through the radar device in Fergus's collar. They're about 6 miles from Bleak Valley, losing altitude, heading straight for the ridge.
Poor Fergus. He must be frightened out of his wits.
Budgie is sheltering near Bleak Valley. I'm going to see if he can help. You don't have to go, Budgie. You know, Jasper, it might be just another hoax. And we said we wouldn't respond to him again.
Oh, but it might not be a hoax, Lionel. I'd better go and see.
He's coming your way. Be careful.
Budgie to Jasper. If you can hear me, waggle your wings.
Budgie, I'm here. Help.
Now, Jasper, we've got to get out of here. You must fly in a circle around me because you're so fast. Now, follow my directions and be careful. There are cliffs and mountains all over the place.
Wow! Outstanding! Budgie saved them!
Yeah, brilliant!
Great!
Well done, Budgie.
Thanks, Lionel.
Well, You were right, Lionel. And I was wrong. You can't laugh at everything. Thanks, Budgie. I'll never play silly tricks again.
Look, there's Fergus.
Well, Fergus, it's great to have you back, even if you haven't brought us diamonds and gold.
Shh, Ben. Don't ever say anything again about Dick Whittington's cat. Not while Fergus is listening.